Next problem. Now a firm produces two types of items, A and B. The firm can sell them at profit of rupees 25 on each item A and rupees 10 on each item B. Each item is processed on two machines, M1 and M2. Item A requires 1 hour of processing time on M1 and 3 hours on M2. Item B requires 3 hours on M1 and 1 hour on M2. How many items of each type should the firm produce so as to maximize his profit if he operates his machine for at most 12 hours a day? Also find the maximum profit. Now data is given. Let's tabulate the data first. Now we know that to produce this item A and B, the firm is going to produce two items, item A and B. Okay. So firm is going to produce two items A and B, and for producing item A, it has to go through two machines, machine M1 and M2. We have two machines, M1 and M2. Okay. Now for A, to produce this item A, 1 hour of processing time on M1. So it requires 1 hour of processing time on M1 and 3 hours on M2 and 3 hours on M2. Now item B requires 3 hours on M1 and 1 hour on M2, right? And he operates his machine for at most 12 hours. So each of this machine is operated only for 12 hours and not more than that. So availability time of both the machine is 12 hours and 12 hours. Okay. So we cannot use this machine for more than 12 hours in a day. Okay. Now what is the profit we are going to get? Profit of rupees 25 each on item A and 10 on each of item B. So profit here is rupees 25 on A and 10 on B. So rupees 25 and rupees 10 on B. Over here rupees 25 and rupees 10. So we have tabulated the data whatever is given in problem. Now we have to find maximum profit. Okay. First we need to find how many of A and how many of B he has to produce so that he is going to get the maximum profit. So let's formulate this model first. So our main objective is maximizing the profit. Okay, or you can even use Z. Now I am taking number of items of A is X and of B is Y. Okay. Now suppose we are selling 10 of X and 10 of Y. What will be profit? 25 into 10, 10 into 10. So it is 25 into X plus 10 into Y. Because after selling one product of A, we are getting 25 rupees. One product of B, we are getting 10 rupees. Subjected to. Now this A requires 1 hour on machine M1, B requires 3 hours on machine M1, and total in a day it is available for only 12 hours. So this is X plus 3Y less than or equals to 12. It is not available for more than 12 hours. Similarly, machine M2, A requires 3 hours, B requires 1 hour, and it is available at the most for 12 hours. So this is 3x plus y less than or equals to 12. Now x is product A, item A, and number of item A of A, and y is number of items of B. So x has to be greater than or equals to 0 and y has to be greater than or equals to 0. Okay, so we got our model. Now second thing is we have to plot the graph. Now for plotting the graph, we have to find values of x and y. So I am taking this as 1 and 2. Let's start with equation 1. What is our equation 1? X plus 3y equals to 12. Okay. The same procedure again. Substitute x to be y. Find value of y. Substitute value of y to be 0 and find value of x. If x is 0, this will be 0 plus 3y equals to 12. So y is 12 by 3, which is equals to 4. So value of y is 4. Now take y to be 0. If y to be 0, it is x plus 3 0 equals to 12. So value of x is 12. If y is 0, x is 12. Okay. Now take second equation. What is our second equation? 3x plus y equals to 12. Again same procedure. Substitute y to x to be 0 first. If x is 0, this will be 3 into 0 plus y equals to 12. So value of y is 12. Now take y to be 0. Then it is going to be 3x plus 0 equals to 12. So we got our points. Now we need to plot the graph. Okay. This is the x-axis, origin negative x, y origin negative y or y dash. I am taking intervals of 4, 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16. Next will be again 4, 8, 12, 16. Right? Now scale 1 centimeter equals to 4 units. Okay. Now what is the first point? X is 0, y is 4, y is 0, x is 12. X is 0, y is 4, y is 0, x is 12. Okay. Now we have to join these 2 points and then extend it. Okay. And write equation of the line. It is x plus 3y less than or equals to 12. Now next line, x is 0, y is 12, y is 0, x is 4. Again join these 2 points and extend the line. Okay, so we got our graph. Now we know that x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is also greater than or equals to 0. Okay, so your feasible region will be in first quadrant because this is x greater than or equals to 0, all these points, and these are the y greater than or equals to 0. And okay, equation of this line is 3x plus y less than or equals to 12. Right? Now here this is less than or equals to 12, so all these points will come. This is again less than or equals to 12, so all these lesser points will come. Now common area is this, but again x has to be greater than or equals to 0, so only these points. Again y has to be greater than 0, so only this point. So your feasible area is this. Right? This is our feasible area or feasible region. Now we have to mark the corner points. So A, B, this intersecting point is C and then this is D. Let's write corner points. Corner points. Then we need to find P. What is our P? This one. Yeah. Okay. 25x plus 10 times y. Okay. So 25x plus 10 times y. What is the first point? Origin 0, 0. Next is B. B is 0, 4. C is intersecting point. We have to find this point. And D is 4, 0. So let's first find value of C. So for point C, coordinates of C. Now these two lines are intersecting at point C, so we have to take equations of these two lines, solve the equations and find value of x and y. Okay. Now coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of x in second equation is 3. What I am doing is multiply 3 multiply equation 1 by 3. So I am multiplying 3 to equation 1. This will be 3x 9y plus 36, right? And here we have 3x plus y equals to 12. So negative sign, this will get cancelled. Here we have 8y and 36 minus 12 is 24. So value of y is 24 by 8. So 3. Y is 3. Now substitute y and get value of x. So substitute y equals to 3 in any one equation. I am substituting it in equation 1. Okay. So it will be x plus 3 into 3 equals to 12. So x is 12 minus 9, which is equals to 3. So value of x is also 3, y is also 3. So this coordinate is 3, 3. Okay. So C is 3, 3. Now we need to find value of P. So first is 0, 0. So it is going to be 25 into 0 plus 10, 0. Nothing but 0, right? Next is 25 into 0 plus 10 into 4, which is 40. This is 25 into 3 plus 10 into 3. So we have 75 plus 30, so 105. Next is 25 into 4 plus 10 into 0, which is 100. The maximum value we are getting is 105 if x is 3 and y is 3. So the firm has to produce, okay, firm has to produce 3 items, right, of A and 3 of B, so as to get maximum profit, and maximum profit is 110.